Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change date of birth on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you will see the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines, and now you can tap on settings and privacy at very last, and here you can just simply now tap on account, and after a few seconds of loading you can now tap on account information. You can see the third option, that is date of birth. Tap on it, and here you can now again tap on birth date, and you can change your date of birth on TikTok here. After changing the date, you can just simply now tap on save, and this is the way you can change date of birth on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.